Hey everyone, welcome back to the streaming again. And if you remember me, just let me know your name in the chat. And this streaming session is getting very late, and I'm not go live for the last few weeks, not a few weeks, it's just around 8 to 10 days. And the reason is just like uh that we have live or not. Okay, we have live from this side. So the actual problem is like I have getting no, it's not a problem. I am doing a job. It's a night shift job, and due to that, I will be struggling to getting alive for the last few days. Okay, and I should continue again. And the job that I'm doing, that's a completely semi-tech or a non-tech. You can just say a non-tech job. So it's not a long-term reason, but still, I have to just need to. I just need a resources. Okay, and if you have to just need a resources, you need a money. So that's why I will just doing that job. Okay. So if you have any questions, simply you let me know in the chat. So I will just start the streaming session. Okay. And I hope the voice quality and the audio quality will be not a voice and a video quality is great. So I just simply open it internet speed test and let me just check that internet speed, and the speed is like I think it's okay because we don't facing that in introduction, and this is the assignment sheet that I have been work as well. So the internet speed is amazing. So I think we have not facing any internet connection issue yet. Okay, so just first thing I will just simply share the, okay, just like we have a shareable link. Okay, so it's in YouTube. I will just simply go to that YT Studio and share the streaming link on that Discord server. Okay, and we should continue it. By the way, according to the job market, that I will really feel key is I'm doing great or a wrong. Is I'm on the right path or a wrong path. Okay, so let's go to that Discord. Okay, and we have right now three viewers. If you are my subscriber, just let me know your just and mention your name in the chat. Okay, bro. Who's just watching the streaming? Okay, so we just continue it. So here we are just started. Okay. So in that previous session, we have to just focusing on the data structure and algorithm, and we decided ki we just focusing on the we have just doing a DSA using a JavaScript language. Okay. And I follow a Claude plan. Okay. Claude, just like a Claude roadmap. I just follow a Claude roadmap to practicing and learning our data structure and algorithm. Okay. So let's see what, okay, it's like creating the chat, not now. So, okay, there's a DSA roadmap, and this roadmap, it's a completely a 45-minute daily session because we have this start key. I will just expect to at least a 90-minute or a 2 hours, but during the job session, I just still difficult to manage the 2 hours streaming session because along with that, my semester exam is also coming. So I have to focusing on that as well. And we just focusing we have just finished the data structure algorithm into that April और अब मई मंथ ठीक है बिफोर मंथ बिफोर मई ठीक है बिफोर मई नहीं आफ्टर मई मतलब मई खत्म होने से पहले जस्ट लाइक कि माई इंग्लिश विल बी गेटिंग लॉस्ट सो मई खत्म होने से पहले वी हैव टू जस्ट टारगेटिंग टू कंप्लीट दिस series. Okay, and this is the day 5 of that series, है ना? So hey guys, just like let me know your name in the chat because we have just getting a two viewers right now, and I just like you are my subscriber or not. So just let me know in the chat. Okay, so in the previous section we have just done a day one, okay, and in day one we have just like what is and space and time and space complexity is. Okay, we have done already this, and just like introduction air introduction, and I think it will be also done. So we have to just need to focusing on just wait. Actually we have getting a great prompt, okay, so we just simply copy this prompt and go to day 6 paste it and enter the date too. ठीक है. And we don't focusing on chat so much. ठीक है, we are just simply focusing. Oh, seriously, I'm just using a one chat and they just show me a limit issue. Okay, okay. So how could I just fix this? Okay. So I'm just using a temporary option for today's. On the tomorrow we are just focusing on doing it from that cloud. Okay, because we have not a subscription plan. Okay. So I will just simply copy this. ठीक है. Copy this. Go to browser and open the cloud AI. ठीक है. Then let's paste that context and they will just show me that output on the basis of the inputs. Okay. This is a new chat and just simply paste it there. And I think that I need to write a prompt as well. Explain me in simple and easy way. अरे इसको मैं पढ़ लिया बस वी हैव टू जस्ट अंडरस्टैंड कि थोड़ा रिवाइज कर रहे हैं ठीक है कि दिस बेसिक ओवरव्यू दैट हाउ विल एक्चुअली थिंग्स गोइंग ओके इज एनीवन मिस मी बाय द वे एनीवन मिस मी complete day 2 guide errors in javascript let me build this an interactive learning experience ठीक है so learning method of problem 1 is max problem 2 reverse and problem 3 is duplicate array method a click method to see how it's work visually okay yeah we have getting a one comment that's amazing that's I feel amazing the subscribers and viewers just feel amazing that's a great news why it's taking so much time I just need notes I think it's creating a very lengthy context. That's mean that's still taking us so much time. And let's see, it's YouTube just shared that impression to that my viewers or not. Just let me check this as first thing. Okay. Seriously, we are getting only no impression or just it just not updated yet. Okay, I think it's not updated yet. And it's our subscriber. Okay, we have this currently that viewers are not subscribers. It's our non-subscribers. Okay, okay. Seriously, just like कि before receiving the output, they just simply said कि you have used a 90% session of limit only on using one chat. Seriously? ये क्या हो रहा है क्लाउड को जो सीरियसली कि अभी न्यू अकाउंट है मैं आई थिंक आई नॉट यूजिंग द क्लाउड फॉर द लास्ट 1 week and after just writing a one prompt it will be just shared me a 90% limit uses okay so let's use a gpt ठीक है I think gpt will never disappoint us for this okay, GPT is working very smoothly. And let's open that VS Code. And this is the Piggy 5 project that I have been working on my final year project. And this is still ongoing. Okay. So first thing we have to just need to opening the data structure and algorithm DSA. I think 50-day DSA and just simply select that folder. Take it. Okay. In the day two we have just like key we have focusing on too many questions. ठीक है. It's the reverse array and the smallest element of an array take a reverse an array so we are so focusing on two we have solved two questions in that part. Okay. So it's like a push. Okay, array इसका पता है index from start from zero and push add an element pop shift and unshift and flies and just like a practicing. ठीक है. Problem one of find maximum element. So we just putting and we have to just expect that this if okay. Let's open the chat in the right corner. Bro, I'm in my final year. I'm currently in my sixth semester. What are you right, bro? I will not understand that. Okay, so here we are. In this program, we have to just find the smallest value element of an array, and this is a completely array. Okay, that we have a number of elements. Oh, great! I have done final year and still doing internship. Anyway, keep going. Doing okay, okay. So you are doing a internship and your final, and you are a, I think you are a graduate. So just tell me that you are doing an internship of which domain? You are a web developer or doing an engineer or an app developer or a UI UX designing or a tester or anything. On the which domain you are doing an internship. Okay. Just don't mention your company, just your job role. Okay. Because I'm in the final year and I'm struggling to getting an even internship. Okay. A paid internship, not unpaid. A paid internship. Okay. So this is a function and we have just we passed the completely an array. Okay. This is an array that we have getting into past that function and we have to suppose that the first element of an array is small, okay, in this scenario. Okay. That means the value of minimum is 4. And we have just starting a loop that will be running until the length of an array and increment by 111. Okay. Okay, you are a full stack developer plus a mobile developer. Oh, that's amazing. That means you are a MERN stack developer. Are you a MERN developer? Experiment C6R. Are you are a MERN stack developer or you are a Java full stack, Java Django, or just like a not a Java, it's a Python Django, a Java Spring Boot, or you are a MERN developer. So this is a loop, and that will be starting from the zero. Take a zero and array dot length key and increment by I plus plus. And if ARR I, that's mean I just suppose कि ARR I will be 1, that's means ARR 1 की जो first element, it will be a 4. If 4 is less than ARR 0, so it will be yes, not 0 is less than 4 is less than 4, so that means this condition is wrong. So we have simply written the minimum, ठीक है? So written minimum करते then उसके बाद loop not a return. I think yeah, this function will be if नहीं है, then दोबारा गया and the value will be increment by 1 and then it will be the value is ARR 5 ठीक है ARR 2 means ARR के 5 जो है 5 is less than minimum so that's mean कि minimum के अंदर क्या डाल दो ARR की I value यानी ARR की 2 यानी 5 so that at that time the minimum value will is minimum is 5 now it's still 4 ठीक है 5 is because maximum ठीक है and then 9 10 and 2 ठीक है and at the end they will just see the 2 is smallest value for an element and it will simply return it that console okay and if we just need to find the maximum value of an element so let's write that code as well okay so here it is and I just need to Node just one specific front-end JavaScript, React, Next.js, all backend, Node.js, Express, etc., and all DBs. Okay, okay. That's mean you are a great and good knowledge in a full stack development because you are completely a one stack developer and you knows that all database like SQL and MySQL, and along with that you have knowledge in TypeScript or a Next.js framework. That's amazing. By the way, I'm also a one stack developer and I'm learning one. My one is completed, but now I'm just focusing on building projects to just improve, just like improve and enhance my coding skills. That's it. Either way, one to completed है and one is also so वो vast ठीक है बहुत ज़्यादा है. So उसको भी time लगता है. So just like I'm building a project by the way. So just like कि suppose this is an array ठीक है. I don't taking any hint from there ठीक है. So just copy there and try. Now I'm just write a let ARR and it is an element of a 10, 31, 45, 50, 1, 6, 3, 2, 4. ठीक है. So we have a 1, 2, not a ARR है, ठीक है ARR है वो 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 element of an array and I just simply creating a function find max ठीक है and ARR and let maximum ठीक है and then here are 0. So in that we have to simply consider that the 10 is the largest and maximum value of an array ठीक है in that case. Okay. So and let's run a loop from a for loop. Let I starting from the 0 and I will be run from less than arr dot length and I plus plus. If arr I is less than, it's more than maximum, तो क्या कर दो मैक्सिमम की वैल्यू है वो इज इक्वल टू में कर दो arr के आई में. ओके एंड यहाँ कर दो रिटर्न मैक्सिमम ठीक है and let's just run that function and see it's we have getting it's that function will be work correct or not. So just simply I write the function, not need to write the function we have already just click write a log ठीक है find max and pass the arr ठीक है and let's run this code to so 63. Okay, so 63 is the largest element of an array and this is the smallest element of an array. So I think this on the console. The smallest value is the smallest value is, and यहाँ पे we have just simply write down larger value is. And now let's run this code, and it will be just simple. Smallest value is 2 and largest value is 63, and the code will work amazing. Okay, so set. So let's focusing on the next topic. Okay, uh, we wrench. Okay, yeah, bro, you. So that will work correctly. Okay, and now I just go to that audio bitrate issue. Should we have this? Is anybody who just watching the streaming session? Do you have facing any problem issue while listening? If yes, just let me know in the chat. Okay. So just like yeah, I will just start the streaming session after a very long time. That's why YouTube will not sharing that enough impression to that my subscriber or my viewer. Yeah, I think that's the reason. Okay, that's the reason. Okay, and here's the GPT. And practice Hala may we have also doing of maximum value. Reverse it array, it's also done. And remove duplicate sorted. So remove duplicates. I think we are not creating that function or find that remove duplicate array. Okay. So just wait and we just write that remove our duplicate sorted array. So we write the code of that and understand that how was that code is written. Okay. So just close this tab and creating a day2 folder. Okay. Day2 and new. Okay. And just creating a function web.js remove duplicate sorted edges. Okay. So just wait a few minutes because the water is empty and I just go it and fill the water bottle. Okay. And I will be just back soon in a few minutes. Okay. Oh, so back. I am back again. Okay, so are you applying on other platforms than LinkedIn, bro? No audio issue. Okay, so bro, I am applying on the all portals. Okay, it's not only LinkedIn. I apply on just like the Indeed or Internshala or a Naukri.com or a Glassdoor. Glassdoor, I think Glassdoor and RFL as well, upward emailing. I will try everything. Okay. And but still, I just facing and even getting an interview call. Okay. Because the job market is literally cooked. Because nothing in control now. Smallest value is, and यहाँ पे we have just simply write down. Okay, we are not facing any voice issue. So I just we are and go to that and just solve that question. तो यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? It is in that function and just I it's in a value of 0. ठीक है, and just starting a loop from ji, that's starting from the 1 and running until the length array of n length, ठीक है, and j plus plus. Okay, it's simple. And in there we have a function, ठीक है, if I, that's mean कि arr का जो I है, ठीक है, यानी उसका जो फर्स्ट एलिमेंट है, ठीक है, arr मतलब जीरो, arr का जो जीरो है इट्स नॉट इक्वल टू arr j, अगर उसका ऐसा नहीं है, ठीक है, I जो है नॉट इक्वल है ARR J के 1 से, ठीक है, 0 की वैल्यू 1 से कंपेयर हो रही है, अगर नहीं है तो आई प्लस प्लस कर दो और ARI आई होगा तो जो है। Okay, so let's write the code, ठीक है, so first we have to just creating a function, function is remove duplicate and ARR, that ARR element is just like 1133225554. ओके, तो वैसे सो वन 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 टू टू 2,2,4,4,5,2,6,7,3,5, ठीक है, this is an array and we have to just remove the duplicate element of an duplicate value ना of 5, ठीक है, that I is equal to में 0 and for loop it will be starting from let j starting from 1 and running from a j, j is less than arr dot and j plus plus. Okay, okay. So after that, we have to just creating a if condition. If arr I is not equal है arr j के, ठीक है। एंड एयर आर आई के अंदर डाल दो, एयर आर जे, है ना? ठीक है। इसके बाद ड्राई रन करेंगे once the code will completed. Okay, and this is that loop will be written. So here we just simply return I plus में 1, so it will just increment that value. ठीक है? I think the function will be completed, and now just log remove duplicate and pass the array, and let's run this code. So simply close that all terminal and run it. And the output is only one. Why it's not given a complete an array? ओके, सो क्या किया हमने, इस फंक्शन को डायरेक्ट नहीं चलाया यहाँ पे। लॉग कैसे किया इसने, लेंथ तो लग गया, ठीक है। हम्म, ये फंडा थोड़ा समझना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज आई विल बी स्ट्रगलिंग टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट दिस थिंग। आई एम गेटिंग अ कॉल, जस्ट वेट अ फ्यू सेकेंड्स। The I will be just back, so just wait. Okay, so I think we are just facing a problem because it's creating a variable, a let length, and we just simply call that function. So that's mean कि complete array का जो element है वो इसके अंदर आ चुका है। So we just need doing the same thing, go to that my VS code, and let's see that कि let let length is equal to me. Okay, let length is equal to me. Remove duplicate and just pass the array. Okay. And if we have to just log it, we need to write a console.log arr.slice. So the log will be simply slice the 0 and comma length. ठीक है. Slice fill कैसे work करता है? Just like we have a slice at key. This is a slice and 1 3. That's mean log arr era and dot slice. Slice means 0. Okay, okay. So that's mean length. How we have this getting a length? Okay. आप समझ आया? That's mean कि whenever this function will call, a length will be just simply remove duplicate जब होगा so हमारी जो length है length of an array it will be decreased. So for that I will be denoted as the length of an array that will be decreased. If that condition will be not passed then be its increment, otherwise it's not. So at that time the length is decreased. Go to there and just print the log of this length. ठीक है. And let's run this code and it will be just return that one. It's just simply give the output of that first element of an array. Okay, so just remove this from there and write a log and arr dot slice from 0 comma length. And now let's run it and it's give me the one again. What is that the problem is? I think problem किधर आई आखिर एक्चुअली में. It's hosting according if I just write this, so it does just like key एक काम करता हूँ इसमें हाँ declare कर देता हूँ. By the way, it's not creating any difference because whenever we have write it, the function will be hosted and execute in the top doing execution. Okay, so here that's it. That is, and just okay. So now I just need to ओके सो क्या करना है यहाँ पे arr डॉट स्लाइस है. ठीक है arr डॉट स्लाइस log 0 हमारा हर चीज सही है. आई थिंक एवरीथिंग इज परफेक्ट बट स्टिल इट्स गिव मी एन एरर. ठीक है ओके ओके इट्स अ टू पॉइंटर क्वेश्चन बट एरे मस्ट बी शॉर्टेड. ओके ओके सिंपली दिस कमेंट दिस कोड. ठीक है एंड copy this entire code and go to VS Code and paste it here and let's see what the output and then we compare the our code. Okay, so let's run it and now it show the 1 2 3 4. That's mean key we have doing something an error in that code. That's why it's not running. Okay, so this is a function remove duplicates everything perfect. Let I is equal to me 0 and for let j is equal starting from the 1 starting with the arr dot length and j will be increment by 1 and if arr I is not equal to arr j that means I plus plus and arr I is equal to me arr j and return I plus me 1 a new length and this is then let arr and length remove element in slice will be starting from the 0 and length I think everything is perfect, everything is same, but still it's not working. I think I just need to copy this code from the to the GPT, and I think then it will just give me that correct what is an exactly error in that code. Uh, and okay, we have currently 8 viewers who just watching the streaming session. So just if anybody who just watching the streaming session, so simply let me know in the chat. Did you understand that what I'm trying to teach you, and also that you are a student or a working professional? Okay, and just make sure you can just like that video and subscribe my YouTube channel because I will be just doing a live every single day, and I simply just documenting my journey, and it is just simply a learn in public channel where I just show that what I'm learning in my journey. Okay, so you can just simply chat that whatever you have in your mind. Okay, okay, a typo mistake. So if that's a typo mistake, that why it's not GTH. Bro, I'm learning a data structure and algorithm. So in this is a two-pointer variable question that will be a understanding. ठीक है? So it is in completely a remove duplicate question. ठीक है? And this is just simply a remove top मतलब remove duplicates का एक ये function है and that's it. ठीक है? And the topic it's an array. It's an array topic. Okay. And let's see that. ठीक है? Maximum minimum will be done. Remove duplicates come done. And now I just need to go through day 3 of this, but the limit will be already filled. So uh, I just need to start from the day 3. Okay, and day 3 is just uh, two pointer technique. Okay. Okay, so in the tomorrow session we have to just focusing on array two pointer techniques. Okay. So for that today's that's it. If you have any question, just let me know in the chat. Okay, if anybody has any question, just simply let me in the chat because the topic is covered. According to that, today's streaming session. Okay. And I think that the mostly viewers who just watching the streaming session, they are my non-subscriber. So you don't know that where actually I am. So I am a computer science student. I'm a BC student who just learn in public and show that what I'm doing. Okay. And for the last 1 week, I will not active so much on that my YouTube channel because and the reason is just like ki I am getting a job and I'm doing a job in the night shift and the more in the afternoon I will be just sleep and just studies. Okay. So here it is that story about me. Okay. And I hope that you will enjoy that streaming session. And if you have any question, let me know in the chat or a comment section. Okay, for today, that's it because that we have I have a limited time and I have just need to separate that and time my into that my all the important things that I have doing in my life. Okay, so thanks for watching the streaming session and make sure you can like that stream and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you have any question, you can join my Discord server as well. Okay, so for today, I think that's enough. And should I just disconnect the streaming session around 5 to 10 minutes? Okay. So if you have that any question, just let me know in the chat. Okay. If you have any question, just let me know in the chat. Okay. And this is the day 2. And if I just start from the day 3, it's not working because it's the limit will be completed. If the limit is not met, that I will be sure that I will be started. But it's just show 8:30 p.m. Okay. So I just don't learning by there. ठीक है ठीक है so just let me know in the chat ठीक है and I will be just like कि or learning a DSA or development is a great career option in 2026 and if has anyone who just are a working professional or in a different domain so just let me suggest that any good domain in the 2026 for good career opportunities because I think that I will struggling to getting a job by a development or a DSA and entry level. ठीक है just like if you just I'm applying just I will be my resume will be not even shortlisted so that's it. Why? I'll just tell them. अगर रिफ्लेक्शन के लिए थोड़ा सा स्पेक्स पहन लेता हूँ ठीक है. Okay, we have not getting any chat yet, but just let me know in the chat. Is you? I think the mostly who viewers that watch this streaming session, they are a CS student. Okay, they are a computer science student, and they are also doing a development or a DSA. Is anybody who's from crowd that who just focusing on another domain rather than a DSA or a development? If you have anything, just let me know in the chat. Is anything? Because I will be just disconnect the streaming session around 5 p.m. We have 10 minutes left. We have more 10 minutes, okay, on discussing that topic. Because just like ki, learning is important skill, but learning is correct learning skill that will actually demanding that's very important. So that's why. And if you have, just let me know in the chat or yes, no, so should I just disconnect the streaming session? Okay. If we have getting two comment of yes, yes, so that I will just continue the streaming session and no, no, so I will just simply disconnect it. Okay. So just seven, we have a seven viewer yet. So you can just simply mention in the chat. Okay. If you have, just simply mention in the chat. Okay. I think no one has a question yet, but it's okay. It's a completely normal because sometimes it's take time to process. Okay. Okay, we are getting a three subscriber yet, and I just like ki, oh my bad. I've been forgetting to just add my Discord server on the chat. So how did you just know that key from where you can just join that Discord server? Just wait. If you are just watching, still watching, just join that Discord server because I think as a if you are finding if you are just looking for a community where you can just grow. So I think this Discord server is helpful because all of the my member in that Discord server is literally amazing and a great knowledge and they are very helpful. Okay. So okay. Let's ask the GPT. Okay. Let's ask the GPT what the career option they will suggest. Okay. What is the best tech career domain in the best top five tech career domain in computer science? Software development, a full stack in the first. Seriously, I think it will be automated by an AI in the just 2 or 3 years. I think the full development will be a completely replaced by an AI because system designer who just design a scalable system, they will just creating a full scalable web solution or an application using a Claude uh, or any just like a code editor. Okay, I think it will be replaced by in a few years. And what is your opinion if development will be replaced by AI in the 2027 or a 2028? Because current today in the today's it's not a completely replaceable because AI will good into making basic or so good in a basic or but it's when it's come to building a scalable or a secure or a safest it will be not efficient again yet. AI machine learning, it's a builds smart system, ChatGPT and commission, ठीक है. And data science and data analytics, okay. A strong demand is and cloud computing and DevOps and cyber security, ठीक है. And final recommendation for you, I'll already on React front so full stack development is the primary, and then cloud or AI later. Okay. अब development तो complete हो ही चुकी है. Short answer no. This career are not replaceable, but yes, they are involving fast and Just like what AI can. AI is very good at replace repetitive coding, basic crude app, simple data analysis, and copy paste level work. So low skill jobs are at risk. Okay, what AI cannot replace high volume work, okay, software development. System design, this is a very high demanding skill, and I will be just in my free time now. I'm just starting to learning system design because I will be using the cloud, and it's just like you if you have a great knowledge of how to build a product, you can just build any product, any product. Because system design is very important and complex problem solving. For that, I will just already doing data structure and algorithm and architecture decision key. If you just suppose you are creating or building an any product or any project, how you can will just design an architecture. आर्किटेक्चर डिसीजन लाइक कि तुम्हें ऐसा स्केलेबल सॉल्यूशन बनाना है जिसके अंदर खाली 10 यूजर बने या फिर ऐसा बनाना चाहते हो कि उसमें 100 यूज़र कर दे, तो वो तुम्हारा डिसीजन रहेगा कि तुम उस पे क्या करोगे। जस्ट सपोज़ कि इफ यू आर बिल्डिंग अ बेसिक रिएक्ट प्रोजेक्ट, ठीक है? यू आर बिल्डिंग अ रिएक्ट प्रोजेक्ट। So in that React project, you will, if you have to creating a basic single page application, it's a portfolio website. So you don't need to, you don't need just like ki who anybody who just interact with, because in the portfolio website, you don't need a create or a login sign up because it's a basic common sense. But suppose you are creating an e-commerce website and you have to just manage the multiple state. So at that time, you using a Redux. Okay. Sometimes we use a Redux and sometimes it's not because it's depend on the case. And that is the decision. Okay. Architecture decision, and they are literally building AI itself. Okay? This field is growing because of AI, not dying. Okay? Data scientists is business understanding, decision making for data. DevOps engineer managing infrastructure. AI cannot handle real world production system alone. Okay? Cyber expert fighting real hacker security. Hackers plus made defenders are always human king. The real danger important. The real risk is not AI. The real risk is using old skills in a new AI world, which is smart strategy. So learn with AI, use ChatGPT to code faster, use Copilot to build project, focusing on problems and real project taker. For you, since you are a job, want a job path, don't avoid AI, use AI as a superpower, build super, take care. Let's see what it should give that how to becoming a 10x developer by AI step by step system. Let's see what it give actually. Seriously, we have getting a more than just like 9 viewer, and nobody has any question. Seriously, nobody has any question. Is I'm the only one who just speak and speak. If you have you want to just speak that, let me know in the chat. Just chat. Okay, just 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, I will be just. It's a good great way to research. Take it. If you want to just doing anything and you are struggling to what exactly thing I just need to follow it, just go to GPT and just look it and understand that what's an exact is I'm doing correct or wrong. Is I'm on the right path or a wrong path. Act as senior modern developer, build a responsible job portable login journey. Better prompt, better step to use an AI is coding, but instead of writing tutorial, for instance, 5 ask AI build, fix, repeat. Ask AI to build future run code. If error, paste error, fix it AI. You will learn building, not just watching. Take a step three, build project fast execution and theory. Your 30 days stream. Stack, perfect for you. React already know Node.js and more. Build three this portal. Job portal, full stack, e-commerce app, and AI science to learn resume analysis. Take a use AI for code generation, UI design, and debugging. Debugging like a pro, secret skill. When stuck, copy error. Just I will be just bad.